G'day everybody, Ben here, thanks again for tuning in for everything property and out there in our markets. Well, the inflation figures did come in and sadly, it was not favourable. They had jumped with a slight spike up to 5.2%. That was the first increase we've seen over the last 4 months, and what that has done is it's put the money markets into a spin where they're recalibrating their forecast, suggesting that the outlook of a cash decrease in 2024 might not be as favourable as what they were initially predicting. Now, the key drivers were petrol prices with the restriction in the cost of crude oil. That seems to be driving that price up at the bowser. Now, across a lot of the labour markets, it seemed like there was an increase right across all of those elements. Now, most of the market commentators out there are suggesting that the headline inflation is still within the forecast of what the RBA had predicted for the months ahead. So there might still be a chance that come next Tuesday, those cash rates will remain on hold. However, as Michelle Bullock pulls into the hot seat as governor for her first meeting, if she does need to put those rates up, that might be an unfavourable meeting for her to kick off her tenure. Now to clearance rates, third week in and still holding some level of stability there, landing at 54.6% for the week. That's up marginally from last week, along with the volume of scheduled auctions last week, just clipping over that 1,200 scheduled auction number. Now the week ahead is looking a little bit thinner, obvious reasons, we are in the middle of the school holiday season. Now, whilst property prices are still holding firm, UBS did come out with some data this week indicating where some of the property bubble risk would be lying. And as you'll see on this graph here, Australia, whilst it is noted on there that some of the property prices are to some degree overvalued, it's certainly not sitting on the benchmark as being in a risk zone, unlike Tokyo and Zurich. Now, out and about in the community again this year, we're getting behind Forest Lodge Public School with a commission-free sale, and the proceeds of that sale will go directly to the music program. We've been supporting this school for a number of years, so if you're considering a move and you'd like to get behind this fantastic program to help out the kids, make sure you do reach out. Now, this weekend, we've got a selection of wonderful homes out there on display. Make sure you reach out to those respective agents. Get out there, check them out, and don't forget, long weekend. The clock goes forward an hour for daylight savings. That's it for me. Thanks for tuning in. Look forward to seeing you out and about. Bye for now.